Hello and welcome to our product training for our post-phototherapy repair wipe Sculptra, an anti-aging serum and has the special Ganoderma growth factor essence, a Botox-like function with tri and hexapeptides to help lift face for an overall anti-aging serum. What is this wipe Sculptra product serum and who is suitable to use the Ganoderma growth factor essence? Let's discuss. So as we all know, our skin is delicate and it is comparable to these sofas. When a sofa is brand new, it looks like this on the left one. However, as we use it over time, say 15 to 20 years, it becomes rough, slumped, and it basically gets old, just like the sofa on the right. So, why are some sofas bright and smooth while others get slumped and rough? The reason for this is the sofa's aging, and it is an inevitable thing that is happening to each and every one of us, just like what happens to our face when we grow older. As I said, the reason for the phenomenon is skin aging, and we cannot stop it. It is inevitable and it happens to all of us. So the first reason is as we age, our skin's outer layer loses its fiber and causes it to become more relaxed, making it sag and the wrinkles start to appear. As you can see in the picture here on the left, the dermal layer has more fibers to help the skin become intact on the surface, whereas on the right side, the fibers are lessened and weak, which forms the picture below, where the skin's dermal surface becomes weak, making the face become sag, since the fibroblasts cannot produce the protein's fiber anymore. The loss of protein fibers, such as the collagen or elastin, makes our face become aged and tangled and loose. And since we do not have these protein fibers, the fibroblasts cannot produce fresh proteins in order to supplement these fibers, causing the looseness, sagging, and wrinkles appearing on the surface of the skin through skin aging. The second reason for our skin aging is our skin tissue itself. Because due to aging, the fat, muscle, and bones are slowly lost due to factors that we cannot really control, such as age and life. But due to this phenomenon, the deepening of wrinkles and grooves and the sagging and area expansion happens, causing for wrinkles to deepen even more, and the sagging area will expand uncontrollably, causing the subcutaneous tissue to weaken. So in this slide, we will discuss as to the two parts to where the skin aging usually appears on our face. The first is the expression area, where wrinkles occur. This is where the deepened area of our wrinkles start to grow, like the head, the eyebrow, the eye and tail wrinkles of our eyes, the nasolabial folds, and mouth. The second one is the non-expression area, where sagging usually happens, such as the apple skin and our jawline and our jaw. So in the market today, cosmeceutical firms usually have three different products to offer us for these aging problems. And what are these three different products? This first one that cosmeceutical firms use, which is very famous right now, is the Botox injection for the expression area to help reduce the expression of wrinkles. This product helps relax muscles, thereby blocking nerve signal transmission and reducing wrinkles. The second one that they sell to fight aging and rejuvenation for the faces is the PLLA, the poly-L-lactic acid. The most famous one is the Sculptra injection. This one is used for the non-expression area to reduce the sagging of the face. This injected serum stimulates collagen to help shape the face to offer a full face reconstruction, like the cheek augmentation, full facelift, and contour reshaping effect. The last product is the hyaluronic acid for the non-expression area as well. This product is injected in the deeper parts of the face to help support the sagging by lifting the face up, moisturizing and reducing the fine lines to help shape and achieve immediate feeling for the face. Now, from mentioning all those three famous products that cosmeceutical firms use to reduce anti-aging, rejuvenate the face, what makes our Wipe Sculptra Serum unique? Our product is a combination of the three ingredients that you will need for your face, having a similar Botox, PLLA, and hyaluronic acid, providing triple effect like for all the products mentioned in just one serum. Let's discuss even more. Now, what are the active ingredients of our Wipe Sculptra? In the expression area, we have a Botox-like effect with the hexapeptides. Our hexapeptides effectively reduces wrinkles, just like how Botox works on our face. In the non-expression area, we have our PLLA and HA, which are used by the cosmeceutical firms. And for our Wipe Sculptra, we have our sakaitin, we have our peptides for our PLLA, and for our hyaluronic acid, like we have the SSF, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin, which all works for the hydration, just like the hyaluronic acid serums from the famous products. We also have an additional product element, which is the horse chestnut and licorice extracts complex, which helps soothe skin and relieve discomfort. All of the elements will be discussed. So our product helps to reconstruct and repair skin by smoothing fine lines and feel firm, and the face will feel better immediately. So this slide discusses as to where our active ingredients of the serum take action in our face. As you can see, all ingredients works on different parts of the skin, like the stratum works to make skin firm and tender. We have our effect of the sakaitin and the hyaluronic acid at the epidermal growth, which helps take in more hydration. And in the growth layer, we also have our sakaitin to keep the skin new and delicate. For the true cortex, the hexapeptides majorly work in the collagen to make skin firmer. And in the fat layer and muscles, we have additional caffeine element to maintain skin firmness and remove wrinkles. In summary, we can see that in all parts of the skin, our ingredient will work its way to make suitable skin changes that we need for our face. The first ingredient that we will discuss is our Botox-like, our unique anti-wrinkle effect, the hexapeptides. Our hexapeptide is an upgraded formula ingredient for this product. It is a topical alternative to toxin A, and it is actually the first hexapeptide to mimic N-terminus of SNAP25. As I've said, these hexapeptide ingredients act on the external parts of the skin. It is an alternative to the Botox, the botulinum toxin, as it effectively reduces wrinkles just like how botulinum toxin works on the external parts of our face. So clinical tests have been proven in showing its efficacy in reducing the fine lines or the wrinkles of our face. As you can see here in the lower right side, after 28 days of usage of the product, the hexapeptide significantly reduced face roughness for about 20.4%. It reduced the wrinkle depth, roughness, and it has significant effects on the volume and length of the wrinkles. The second main ingredient is our PLLA-like sakaitin, which is a wonderful collagen production machine. So what is the real source of our sakaitin? The patented sakaitin is derived from a rich Ganoderma peptide essence, which is purified, concentrated, micronized, and lastly, for the latest development, nanonized for a much more excellent use. This is an ingredient used in artificial skin for wound healing, cosmetic skin repair maintenance, and pharmaceutical excipients. Because according to the Taipei Medical History University, they have authorized our very own PBF to have an exclusive patent on this ingredient. And as I said, it can be used for wound healing, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. But not only that, it can be reconditioned or pulverized for various industries as pharmaceutical excipients. The Sakaitin patent has potential for various medicinal properties, making it a very valuable tool in various industries. So Sakaitin also works in the revitalization of the skin by promoting tissue regeneration. As evidenced by the clinical studies shown on the right side of this slide, it mentions how Sakaitin all works on fibroblast and keratinocyte growth, the collagen production, and keratin layer healing ability, which all helps in tissue regeneration of the skin. These experimental results provide prompt evidence on how Sakaitin works in regeneration and revitalization of the skin. The final ingredient in our unique Ganoderma GF extracts are a unique formula focusing on the hydration, including the peptides, the SSF, the allantoin, the macro and micro hyaluronic acid, and the vitamin B5. These ingredients open the skin's water channel for hydration, which promotes skin elasticity and firmness. All these ingredients are particularly very important and beneficial for the face after surgery, because after a facial surgery, all types of hydrations are lost. So the goal of these ingredients is to maintain the skin's moisture, making it firm, hydrated, and moisturized, giving the major elements of hydration. So when do we use our Ganoderma GF Essence? It can be used as a medical beauty treatment assistance. It can be added to your other anti-aging regimens, such as after taking hyaluronic injection or after taking Botox facial injection. And it can also be used directly after you underwent a thread lifting to help faster wound healing. And good news is, even if you haven't been into any facial treatments, you can use it as a daily maintenance, to use it at night for anti-aging skincare product that can be used for your face for overall facial benefits. So product focus, in summary, our BDS Ganoderma GF Essence basically consists 3-in-1 ingredients having a similar Botox, PLLA, and hyaluronic acid-like effects, providing 3-in-1 results for an overall facial effect for our expression and non-expression area for the face. For our expression area, we have the Botox-like, our peptides. For our non-expression area, we have our PLLA-like, our Sakaitin, and the blue copper peptide. And for our hyaluronic acid-like, we have our SSS, F, and the macro and micro hyaluronic acid, which all works for the facial hydration of the face to quickly moisturize the skin. Our Ganoderma GF Essence is a face supplement product for our face to help lift face by using products that are very similar to these famous cosmeceutical firms, offering overall greatness for our facial needs. And that ends our presentation. Thank you for listening.